The colony had enough food yesterday. Every ant was fed. Every tunnel was full. So why does it feel like there's not enough today? In a normal colony, the system is simple. Worker ants go out. They collect food. They bring it back. The colony stores it and distributes it when needed. Everything is balanced. But one day, something changes. The colony expands. More ants, more mouths to feed. But the food outside? It hasn't increased. At first, it's not obvious. Each ant still gets food, just a little less than before. Then, less again. And suddenly, ants start to notice. Some ants begin to worry. What if there isn't enough tomorrow? So they start storing extra food. Not to eat, but just in case. And when many ants start doing this, the system begins to break.
Now, even though the total food hasn't changed, it feels like there's less, because more of it is being held, instead of shared. The colony adapts. Food becomes more valuable. Ants start trading differently. What once required 1 unit of effort now requires 2, then 3, then more. This is inflation. Not because food disappeared, but because there's more demand than supply, and behavior makes it worse. As food becomes harder to get, ants work more, store more, worry more, which makes food even harder to access, creating a loop. Some ants adapt, some struggle, and some fall behind completely, not because they stopped working, but because the system changed around them. The food didn't change. The colony did. Inflation isn't just about resources. It's about pressure, behavior, and imbalance. And in every colony, when too many ants chase the same food, even abundance can start to feel like scarcity.